Hey, I'm Scott Brown. I'm with Prinoth. Today we're going to talk about the wear parts and the things that need to be checked periodically. You're going to get between 100 to 120 hours of blade use. This unit comes with 40 blades. On the outside, it should come with 4 carbides, one here and one on the opposite side. Same over here. Should come with a carbide here and on the opposite side. Then you have 36 steel blades. You see it has a socket head to remove the blades. Torque on that bolt is 170 pounds. It also has liners, bolt-in liners. You can see the bolts here. It has 2 liners, one on top, one in the back. They are replaceable. You should get 3,500 hours out of those. Your bearings, you should get 3,500 hours out of a set of bearings. And this is all run because of the history we have with these bearings and this belt combination. On our larger, this has the same type bearing that our larger machines do.